Um, nobody subscribed in my last video. Nobody comment below which that looks better. And nobody should give me a thumb up, so I just have to do it. Really magic. It's appearing because I'm just gonna stop making magic tricks. Not because nobody comments, nobody subscribes, nobody gives me thumbs up. This is worst day I am. Just gonna do it for you guys. First magic trick is the disappearing. All of them are called disappearing magic. So first is 1, 2, 2. I keep messing up. I just feel so sad about myself. 1, 2, 3. OMG! You just went through. I have it. So that's the, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. So I'm gonna show you this way because I did it. So like 1, 2, there. Just holding it. Yeah, and then it just fell down. I just told them it went through my ear. And just be like, oh, I'm sad. Let me just go get the pen. Ah, farted just and it was the chair. This looks for me. No comments. Okay. The second. Trick. Not ready. Oh my god. I'm just gonna do the should I? Just so mad about this. This is worst day ever. You know how it feels not getting subscribers, only some viewers just watch my video. So like more than 13 views altogether the videos that I made. What the? I just want like, so then I just move like, just want like, it was just weird, man. So next trick is, I didn't want to talk about it. Cái hồi chúc lộn tình trạng chị hiện hôn nha. Edu. Okay. I feel better. I made those, all of those videos I did that for no reason. Whoever watching, I just don't like them. They don't comment. They don't give me a thumb up. Whenever I say it, they don't do it. So this is sucky for me. That's why I made the stupid Halloween magic trick that you could prank. And then the for pile, then the best goal ever, FIFA 16. I'm just gonna stop making videos, guys. I'm sorry. I just feel bad for myself. Nobody's subscribing. Give me a thumb up, comment, anything, but I feel so bad, man. And I don't remember the second magic trick. I'm just gonna do the third one. Oh yeah, what's this one? squishing it, squishing it. I forgot the second video, the second magic trick, but I'm gonna show you next time. I just feel so bad. Comment below, please, 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 please. Subscribe. Give me a thumb up. See you next time.